Hello friends, today I am going to share with you the index of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, Chapter 31 Appeals to Chapter 39 Miscellaneous. Before starting this video, I would like to advise कि जो इंडेक्स के सेक्शंस में आपको बताने जा रही हूँ वो आप एकदम सारी की सारी वीडियो इकट्ठे प्ले मत करें, छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में। जैसे आप पहले 2 मिनट की वीडियो सुन ले, लेट से कि आपने 30 सेक्शंस तक एक बार ही सुन लिया, उसको फिर से रिपीट करें। जब आपको 30 सेक्शन से थोड़ी सी फैमिलियरिटी हो जाएगी तो आप उसमें और सेक्शंस ऐड कर दें। इससे आपको अच्छे से बेयर एक्ट का इंडेक्स ग्रास्प हो जाएगा। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेयर एक्ट। चैप्टर 31 अपील्स। 413 नो अपील टू लाई अनलेस अदरवाइज प्रोवाइडेड। 414 appeal from orders requiring security or refusal to accept or rejecting surety for keeping peace or good behavior. 415 appeals from convictions. 416 no appeal in certain cases when accused pleads guilty. 417 no appeal in petty cases. 418 appeal by state government against sentence. 419 appeal in case of acquittal. 420 appeal against conviction by high court in certain cases. 421 special right of appeal in certain cases. 422 appeal to court of session how heard. 423 petition of appeal. 424 procedure when appellant in jail. 425 summary dismissal of appeal. 426 procedure for hearing appeals not dismissed summarily. 427 powers of appellate court. 428 judgments of subordinate appellate court. 429 order of high court on appeal to be certified to lower court. 430 suspension of sentence pending appeal. Release of appellant on bail. 431 arrest of accused in appeal from acquittal. 432 appellate court may take further evidence or direct it to be taken. 433 procedure where judges of court of appeal are equally divided. 434 finality of judgments and orders on appeal. 435 abatement of appeals. Chapter 32 reference and revision. 436 reference to High Court. 437 disposal of case according to decision of High Court. 438 calling for records to exercise power of revision. 439 power to order inquiry. 440 sessions judges power of revision. 441 power of additional sessions judge. 442 High Court's powers of revision. 443 power of High Court to withdraw or transfer revision cases. 444 option of court to hear parties. 445 High Court's order to be certified to lower court. Chapter 33 transfer of criminal cases. 446 power of Supreme Court to transfer cases and appeals. 447 power of High Court to transfer cases and appeals. 448 power of session judge to transfer cases and appeals. 449 withdrawal of cases and appeals by session judges. 450 withdrawal of cases by judicial magistrates. 451 making over or withdrawal of cases by executive magistrates. 452 reasons to be recorded. Chapter 34 execution, suspension, remission and commutation of sentences. 453 execution of order passed under section 409. 454 execution of sentence of death passed by High Court. 455 postponement of execution of sentence of death in case of appeal to Supreme Court. 456 commutation of sentence of death on pregnant women. 457 power to appoint place of imprisonment. 458 execution of sentence of imprisonment. 459 direction of warrant for execution. 460 warrant with whom to be lodged. 461 warrant for levy of fine. 462 effect of such warrant. 463 warrant for levy of fine issued by a court in any territory to which this Sanhita does not extend. 464 suspension of execution of sentence of imprisonment. 465 who may issue warrant. 466 sentence on escape convict when to take effect. 467 sentence on offender already sentenced for another offence. 468 period of detention undergone by accused to be set off against sentence of imprisonment. 469 saving. 470 return of warrant on execution of sentence. 471 money ordered to be paid recoverable as a fine. 472 mercy petition in death sentence cases. 473 power to suspend or remit sentences. 474 power to commute sentence. 475 restriction or powers of remission or commutation in certain cases. 476 concurrent power of central government in case of death sentences. 477 state government to act after concurrence with central government in certain cases. Chapter 35 provisions as to bail and bonds. 478 in what cases bail to be taken. 479 maximum period for which under trial prisoner can be detained. 480 when bail may be taken in case of non-bailable offence. 481 bail to require accused to appear before next appellate court. 482 direction for grant of bail to person apprehending arrest. 483 special powers of High Court or Court of Session regarding bail. 484 amount of bond and reduction thereof. 485 bond of accused and sureties, 486 declaration by sureties, 487 discharge from custody, 488 power to order sufficient bail when that first taken is insufficient, 489 discharge of sureties, 490 deposit instead of recognizance, 491 procedure when bond has been forfeited, 492 cancellation of bond and bail bond, 493 procedure in case of insolvency or death of surety or when a bond is forfeited, 494 bond required from child, 495 appeal from orders under section 491, 496 power to direct levy of amount due on certain recognizances. Chapter 36 Disposal of property. 497 Order for custody and disposal of property pending trial in certain cases. 498 Order for disposal of property at conclusion of trial. 499 Payment to innocent purchaser of money found on accused. 500 Appeal against orders under section 498 or section 499. 501 Destruction of libelous and other matter. 502 Power to restore possession of immovable property. 503 Procedure by police upon seizure of property. 504 Procedure when no claimant appears within 6 months. 505 Power to sell perishable property. Chapter 37 Irregular proceedings. 506 Irregularities which do not vitiate proceedings. 507 Irregularities which vitiate proceedings. 508 Proceedings in wrong place. 509 Non-compliance with provisions of section 183 or section 316. 510 Effects of omission to frame or absence of or error in charge. 511 Finding or sentence when reversible by reason of error, omission or irregularity. 512 Defect or error not to make attachment unlawful. Chapter 38 Limitation for taking cognizance of certain offences. 513 Definitions. 514 Bar to taking cognizance after lapse of period of limitation. 515 Commencement of period of limitation. 516 Exclusion of time in certain cases. 517 Exclusion of date on which court is closed. 518 Continuing offence. 519 Extension of period of limitation in certain cases. Chapter 39 Miscellaneous. 520 Trials before High Courts. 521 Delivery to commanding officers of person liable to be tried by court martial. 522 Forms. 523 Power of High Court to make rules. 524 Power to alter functions allocated to executive magistrate in certain cases. 525 Cases in which judge or magistrate is personally interested. 526 Practicing advocate not to sit as magistrate in certain courts. 527 Public servant concerned in sale not to purchase or bid for property. 528 Saving of inherent powers of High Court. 529 Duty of High Court to exercise continuous superintendence over courts. 530 Trial and proceedings to be held in electronic mode. 531 Repeal and savings. So friends, this is all about the index of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Thank you for watching my channel and please subscribe for watching more videos.